Hi everyone. As a facelift surgeon, I see two types of patients in my daily practice. Let me tell you about them. Maybe you recognize yourself in one of these groups. The first type, these patients come to me when aging has taken its toll. They look in the mirror and don't recognize the person staring back at them. The face has lost volume, the mid-face, making it appear longer, more bottom-heavy. The jawline is gone, replaced by sagging jowls. The neck has lost definition, with proximal bands becoming more visible, and the once useful angle beneath the chin now softened and droopy. But what really impacts them the most? They feel like they've become invisible in society. They tell me stories of walking into a room, a restaurant, a social gathering, and realizing that no one really noticed them anymore. They still feel young, full of life, but the way they're perceived no longer reflects that. For them, facelift is more than just a procedure. It's a way to reclaim their presence. They want to look as young, vibrant, and energetic as they feel inside. The second type, at first glance, these patients don't seem to have strong need for surgery. Their face still looks defined. The jawline hasn't yet been affected by sagging skin, and the outside world, they still look good. But when they sit down and start sharing their thoughts with me, it becomes clear they started noticing early signs of aging. Small changes like slight heaviness in the lower face, deepening nasolabial folds, Marian lines, or the early appearance of proximal bands. The key difference? No one around them has really noticed yet, but they have. They know exactly where this process is headed because they've seen it before. The mothers, the grandmothers, the older friends. And they can't bear watching them age. They don't want to wait until the changes become drastic. For them, a facelift is about getting ahead of aging before it becomes obvious. The result, a refreshed, youthful version of themselves without anyone being able to tell they had something done. Their friends just assume they never seem to age. So which type are you? Would you rather wait until you're ready for major transformation, or would you opt for an early facelift to subtly maintain the youthful look? Let me know in the comments.